Use drag and drop to transfer a single object from the user library to the project library. Transfer entire folders with drag and drop. Also transfer folders and subfolders with drag and drop. Copy and paste to transfer objects from one library to another. Select a single object, copy it, and paste it into the project library. Proceed in the same way to copy multiple objects or entire folders. Publish objects from the user library to the library user. Select the object and start the procedure. Choose the storage folder and proceed with the upload. You'll find the object and the selected folder in the library. Publish multiple objects. Or publish entire folders. Use these objects, transferred from one position to another in your projects.